Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Exness to TradingView. Alright, let's begin. I'll show you how to connect Exness to TradingView and see whether it is possible in the first place. So as you can see, I'm in TradingView and I already logged into my account. Now if you take a look at the top of the page, you're going to see different options, and in this case, you want to click onto the option that says Brokers, and once you do, it's going to take you to this page, and as you scroll down here, you're going to see the different brokers that are supported by TradingView. However, unfortunately, Exness won't be here because Exness isn't supported by TradingView. But there is an alternative solution, which is Exness Terminal. Exness offers faster, more advanced, and customizable trading capabilities with low latency and multi-asset support, similar to TradingView, but with a more streamlined and user-friendly interface. Another solution is to use paper trading in TradingView, which offers you virtual funds and helps to develop your trading strategies. So that's basically how you can connect Exness to TradingView. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.